Okay, I got you.
Yeah, I worked last night, so
Nah, I feel that. Then it's kind of gloomy, kind of rainy.
yeah. Well, and then I was just sitting there. I was like, I wonder if anyone could detail my car at like 8.
Yeah, yeah, nah, I got you. Yeah, for sure.
All right, man. Well, I appreciate it. Here's the key.
Oh yeah, appreciate you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nothing too bad for real, man. You be good.
Cool. Yeah. Just give me a call.
I got you.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. All right, so we basically washing this down like a regular standard car wash. This is a car wash bay. No need for a pressure washer or a foam because everything is under control. There's no how can I put this? There's not a lot of sunlight beaming down on the car, so we don't need to foam it and hurry and wash it. Kind of got time, so it's the sun is kind of controlled in this area, so we good. And then just take your time washing it. Go wash around and go wash off the top. Call it a day. Y'all doing this vehicle. Don't have any parking right now. You can do it. Find the bucket over. I brought it here. I don't have that light. My own light. I'll do it. So we all done with this vehicle. As you can see, tire shine on it. Wash it up, make it look good. You want the interior shampoo, which on the ground doesn't have any carpet, so we just have the seats. And as you see, the seats look good. It smells good in here. I know he's gonna be proud. Seats weren't really that dirty, so it wasn't a big, huge shampoo job that I had to do. And as you see, we just wipe these floors up for him. That's everything. Full in and out shampoo on this vehicle. Catch y'all another one. I'll detailing out. Peace.
Too bad.
Nah, not at all. Seats were easy. I mean, it wasn't really super dirty interior wise.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
That looks good though. Wash and wax the outside.
for sure.
Sweet.
Uh huh.
You got a Venmo?